After the age of 60, something surprising happens inside your body, and most people don't even realize it until they feel weaker, lose balance more easily, or find it harder to lift even light objects. It's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. And here's the truth. This muscle loss doesn't just affect your strength. It affects your independence, your balance, your metabolism, and even your ability to live without assistance. But here's the good news. Research shows there's a simple, natural way to help your muscles recover and rebuild, even while you sleep. And it starts with just 1 spoon before bed. Today I'm going to explain what it is, how it works, and what other foods you might want to avoid if you truly want to stay strong after 60. Before we talk about the 1 spoon before bed, let's understand why muscle loss happens. Once we pass 60, our body becomes less efficient at repairing muscle tissue. Even if you eat protein during the day, your muscles can struggle to absorb and use it effectively. 2 main reasons are hormonal changes, natural declines in growth hormone and testosterone for both men and women slow muscle repair, reduced protein synthesis. Your body just doesn't turn food into muscle as easily as before. The result? You might notice feeling more tired after small tasks, weak grip strength, trouble climbing stairs, slower walking. One of the simplest and most effective options is 1 spoon of natural casein-rich yogurt or cottage cheese before bed. Casein is a slow-digesting protein found in dairy. Unlike whey protein, which digests quickly, casein releases amino acids slowly for up to 7 to 8 hours, the perfect fuel for your muscles overnight. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition have shown that older adults who consume slow-digesting protein before bed have improved muscle mass and strength over time, especially when combined with light resistance exercise. Now, if you're lactose intolerant, don't worry. I'll share plant-based alternatives in the next part, so you can still get the same muscle-building benefits without dairy. But before we build, we have to stop what's breaking you down. Many seniors eat foods every day that actually make muscle loss worse, without even realizing it. These include refined sugars, which cause inflammation and reduce muscle repair, processed meats, high in sodium and preservatives that affect muscle health, excess alcohol, which interferes with protein synthesis. Now let's replace those muscle-damaging foods with natural healing options that feed your strength, fight inflammation, and keep you active well into your 80s and beyond. Here are my top choices. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, rich in magnesium and potassium, both vital for muscle contractions and preventing cramps. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines, full of omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in muscles and joints. Eggs, one of the most complete protein sources, also giving you vitamin D for bone and muscle health. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax seeds provide healthy fats and plant-based protein. Beans and lentils, packed with fiber and protein to fuel your muscles without spiking your blood sugar. These are not exotic superfoods. They're everyday ingredients you can easily add to your meals. If you don't consume dairy, you can still get the slow-digesting protein your muscles need overnight. Here are non-dairy options. Soy yogurt. Choose unsweetened, as it's high in protein and digests slowly. Chia seed pudding. Soak chia seeds in almond or soy milk. Add cinnamon for flavor and you'll have a slow-release protein and omega-3 combo. Pea protein blended with almond milk. Not as slow as casein, but still gives a steady protein supply. The key is to have something that digests gradually, so your muscles have fuel all night long. Here's how to make this simple habit stick. Keep your yogurt, chia pudding, or plant-based option ready in the fridge before dinner. Take just 1 spoon about 30 minutes before bed. Pair it with a light stretching routine. This helps send more amino acids to your muscles during sleep. Do this consistently, and within weeks you may notice more energy during the day, less morning stiffness, better balance and stability. Remember, muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. Your body is always listening to what you feed it and how you treat it. 1 small spoon before bed may seem like nothing, but over weeks and months it can mean the difference between feeling fragile and feeling strong enough to enjoy every moment of your life. So tonight, take that first spoon for your strength, your independence, and your future self. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend who could use this tip, and subscribe for more simple, science-backed ways to stay healthy after 60